Bang. Right, I'm sure the audio's fine. Camera's a bit laggy. I think my phone's gonna die, actually. That's probably why. No, not even. Phone's charged and ready to go. But yeah, right, so trade recap. I tried to take 2 trades today. We ended up losing. Well, not losing. We ended up getting break even. We ended up getting break even. So yeah, L in the chat. Well, W in the chat, to be fair. So I'll go over the first trade I took. So the first trade I took was this trade. Now this was a fucking brazy trade. I was going for all of this. I wanted to see all of this get hit, right? But before we even get into that, I'll go over my bias coming into today. So that's market open. So if we go into the 50-minute, right? 50-minute. We've got London high up here, London low down here with this 1 hour fair value gap. And we also have Asia low here, and then we have this new day opening gap, which only half of it got filled. So I was wanting to really see the whole thing get filled. Normally the whole entire imbalance gets filled. We were inside of, well, I don't know if we're inside of it yet, but we had this 4 hour fair value gap here. And then we had this 4 order block, but I marked out the body of the 1 hour. So we had this 1 hour. Obviously, this whole thing's an order block. Technically, this one here is the order block as well. But I marked this one, this candle here, just as the order block. Just because this whole move is technically the order block, as it's the move that caused orders to be filled and then continue lower. But yeah, coming into this, I was looking at the 15-minute, and I really wanted to see price manipulate higher. So coming into the day, so we had these accumulation lows here. We were just accumulating up until market open. So I was really wanting to see a sweep of Asia. Not fucking hell, right? Lock in, holy shit, reload. Right, so we're accumulating during pre-market, right? Like at the end of London session, all the way till New York AM open. Leaving London high and London low intact. So what I really wanted to see was a soup of London high, tap the C of this forward fair value gap, and then take shorts towards the accumulation low and London low. Obviously, because my overall draw was bearish due to me still wanting this new day opening gap to be fully filled. We never ended up doing that upon the start of market open. We ended up just keep ripping higher. I was just expecting a higher time frame AMD out of this, but we never ended up getting it. So upon market open, we opened higher, a lot higher. Just kept trending up, trending up, trending up. I thought maybe we would want to come towards this buy side level in ES, maybe make an SMT. Never ended up doing that, and then we ended up tapping this 1 hour order block, and then I ended up wanting a trade out of this. So I was looking at this 2-minute for value gap here, but we formed a 5-minute in the process of not inversing the 2-minute. So I was looking, and then I ended up seeing we had this 1-minute, only one in the leg as well, and then obviously that 2-minute is that 5-minute. So I was like, okay, I'll take this 1-minute inversion, go break even at the 5-minute, and then I'll hold for my external draws. I'll take majority of my position out of this 5-minute, and then I'll hold runners to the external draws being the accumulation low and London low. Very good trade idea. My stop loss is at the down close body candle because we're reacting off of the order block, and we've gotten good displacement, so there's no need, if price is going to take me out here, it's going to take me out here, so there's no need to put my stop. I may as well put it lower, get a bit more RR, better risk to reward. So I ended up getting break even there, and then price went down. I was like, oh, this is looking good, and then we ended up wicking these lows, I think. No, we never even wicked the lows, but yeah, we ended up pushing down, and then we ended up coming back up, and I got break even on this trade here. Unfortunate to say the least, although in all fairness, I was being very greedy. A 1 to 8 is crazy. I should have just took it to 5-minute and been done. It was like a 2 hour though. I was up like $400 on like 3 accounts, so I should have probably took it. But obviously, I wanted to see my draw get hit. I'm not gonna close early just over a monetary value. You know what I mean? Like just the money. I'm not gonna just close because of that. So I wanted to see this whole thing get hit, but it never ended up happening, which was unfortunate. But it is what it is. Then we ended up coming back up, re-sweeping this high here, and then I wanted to see a trade out of this. We never got any opportunity within this leg here. So then I ended up waiting for something to happen. We ended up making this bullish SMT here, and then we ended up having this 5 minute with equal lows, this break even, and we had this 15 minute as our main draw. I didn't want to target the accumulation lows or London low, just because I didn't want to be greedy. Like I was in this previous trade, I was being really greedy with my take profit. So I didn't want to be like that again. I was just gonna settle for the 15 minute. That would have been that. I was happy with that. So this was a 30-second inversion. So as you can see, we reswept this high here. We created this high, no trade out of this, ended up forming a 5 minute and equal lows. Then we came back up, created a bearish SMT within the 4 hour, and then we had a 30-second inversion, which was the highest time frame inversion within the leg. As you can see here, there's no 1 minute, no 2 minute, no 3 minute, no 4 minute. So 30-second was the highest time frame inversion, and as well as that, we created this breaker block and this fair value gap, making a unicorn, which was a very nice level of protection. In all fairness, I probably could have put my stop there to give me more and like a better RR, and I could have just took TP there because it would have been a 1-to-1. But I never ended up doing that. So I ended up just covering the body candle, having this as my level of protection, entering off the inversion. I got a pretty mid fill, to be honest. I tried to enter on the close, but market just like opened, came down. I got a fill there, and then price just pushed down, got break even, pretty decently quick, and then we tapped the 5 minute. I took 2 micros off here. I entered with 6. It would have been 6 micros, so I took 2 micros off there. Put me up $74 on the day, and then it just pushed to break even, which was unfortunate. But this trade was quite nice. I like this trade. It looked fucking nice as fuck. I don't know what was up with Top Step as well. Top Step was bugging the fuck out. Like the charts are just fucking cooked. But even so, like coming in today's price action wasn't even the best. Like the fact that we were just consolidating through London session. Like look at this. Like oh my god, that's so bad. Like I thought it would give us like a really good opportunity for like AM like manipulation reversal, but we never ended up getting that and just ripping higher. And then after seeing this trade, we got a resweep of this high up here. Still holding the SMT, I'm sure as well. Yeah, I'm sure it was this high we reswept. It might be the other high though. Like there might be a new high, but we reswept this high, and yeah, it was this one. Yeah, so we reswept this high. We're holding this SMT. I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure we did hold the SMT. We're holding this SMT, but like it's just such like an accumulated day. Like we're just like accumulating. Like we're not really doing anything. But I mean, there was this trade idea there. Like I wouldn't have taken it though. There was no inversion. There wasn't even a 30-second inversion. The only inversion you could have took was what, this 1 minute. And you would have entered what here. Had your stop, say that wick there, and then targets whatever external draws you want to target. We'll say accumulation lows. To be fair, this would have been a fucking belter. I'm sure it plays as well, all the way to London. Yeah, and then we SMT London, not like that. But yeah, this would have been better to be fair. But obviously, I wouldn't take this just because it's fuck this. I just don't like the PA. We fucking made no inversions within this. We're accumulating. Like it's not something I'd take personally. But I think I did see someone on like Instagram Reels take it, so some trader took it. But yeah, I mean those are my kind of trade ideas. I ended up sweeping London low here, SMT in it, and then we just end up pushing a bit back up a bit more. So I mean, but there's nothing like what is there to do? Like there's Monday. It's a no news Monday. It's like pretty shit. We actually did end up sweeping London low. What time is this at though? It's like 440. There's probably a trade within this though, or not. Wow. A zero inversion. Zero inversion. Wow. Yeah. So there was nothing. So yeah, I don't know. For me, my model didn't necessarily present itself today, which is unfortunate. But it's what it is. I got two trade ideas, break even on both. I got TP1 or a partial. So can't really complain, to be honest. It is what it is. Where's my alarm? There it is. But yeah, no, I'm happy with the break even I got on this trade. It was sound. Such a nice setup. This, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I fuck with this so much. I'd take this 9 out of 10 times. Like, not 10 out of 10 times. I'm not even gonna lie. But I don't know. That was kind of my outlook on today. I mean, I'm up fucking $70 in the account. Can't complain there. Yeah, these ones are locked. So these ones are literally like, two of these are $50 off passing, and then one of them's 500 off passing, and then this one is 1.5 off passing. So I'm gonna have like fucking four fucking evals, or not four fucking, 5 XFAs, minimum 4 XFAs. I just need to save up enough dough to actually activate them. And when I do that, that'll be fucking crazy. You could do this. Watch. This little fucker. Biggest stop loss. Negative R. Fill port. 0.5. But nah, fuck it, I'm just waffling. But yeah, I don't know. There's nothing else to really talk about. There's news Tuesday, so I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow. There'll be no recap tomorrow. Wednesday might be alright, to be fair. Hopefully. And then Thursday, Friday, rest of the week should be sound. Other than tomorrow because of news. But yeah, I mean, that's the trade recap. I'll fucking see you later in a bit.